afternoon, everybody. Welcome to another weather update here on Liam's Weather. I am meteorologist Liam Kenny, and today was a really big day for my channel, considering today my channel hit 350 subscribers, which is absolutely incredible. A huge thank you to everybody who has got me to the amount of subscribers I have today. Every single bit of support that you guys give me is what keeps me on my feet, getting in front of the camera to bring every one of you amazing weather updates, just like I'm doing right now. So a huge shout out to everybody who has made that possible. Another big announcement, my current channel sticker giveaway has ended. I received my 10th person that entered it today. The way that I will be announcing the winners, I'm going to be scheduling a live event on my YouTube channel. I'll post all the details on my Instagram, my Facebook, my Twitter, and also on my website. And the way I'm going to do this is once I schedule that live stream, I'm going to go online and I put all your names on a wheel that I will circle around on the internet, and whatever the spinner lands on, that is who will get the sticker. So be sure that you don't miss out on it, because there's a lot of great stuff coming, and you definitely do not want to miss out, all right? Now, let's move on to the weather side. Taking a look at what's going to be happening over this weekend and then eventually into next week, there are several different things to keep an eye on. First off, our rain chances are definitely going to be on the increase as we head into tomorrow, and then finally decrease as we go back into Sunday. And the reason for that is a very minor tropical disturbance just off the coast of the southeastern United States. If you all remember, over the past couple of days, I've been telling you there's been a tropical system, or basically like a tropical entity just off the coast of the Carolinas. It really hasn't been able to form over the last several days, considering how much wind shear it has been battling in the atmosphere. And now it has actually just a very small, higher chance of forming, and that will bring us our rain chances, especially as we head over the night tonight and then eventually into Saturday. And then we also have a potential severe weather outbreak happening on the horizon this upcoming Sunday out throughout portions of the central and southern plains. I will bring you all the details coming up in just a couple of minutes. But first, taking a look at what's going on in the tropics, we only have one area to look at, and that is Invest 92L. It's been battling so much wind shear across portions of the northeastern Bahamas and then also off the coast of the Carolinas. This is what is going to be bringing us all of our rain throughout the Carolinas as we head throughout tonight and then eventually into tomorrow, right? Really, it really doesn't have that great chance of forming, only about a 40% chance of forming over the next 48 hours to 5 days. Really, the only thing that this thing is making is a lot of very heavy rain off the coastlines of Savannah, Brunswick, and Jacksonville in the southeast. Maybe a couple of scattered showers and thunderstorms there off of the coast of Charleston, and then maybe some scattered showers and thunderstorms there across portions of Myrtle Beach. But other than that, most of the action throughout tonight is going to definitely stay offshore, and then eventually as we get into early portions of tomorrow morning, and then eventually as you're heading out the door, that will be your best chance of rain, especially over the night tonight. Thankfully, it looks like all the heaviest rain will definitely stay off the coast. However, we could see a couple of pockets of very heavy rain, so definitely be sure to grab that umbrella or your rain jacket as you are heading out the door tomorrow, all right? Now, taking a look at what is going to be happening over the weekend, we have the potential for some severe weather to fire up across portions of the central and southern plains on our SPCL, like anywhere in northern Texas and then also southeastern Oklahoma is where we have the best chance for severe weather. And the reason for that is because as we head throughout tomorrow and then eventually into Sunday, an area of low pressure is going to be forming over western Kansas and then also western Oklahoma with a dry line on the back of it. And anytime you hear dry line, always remember severe weather. Usually you will only hear dry line with severe weather. That's the only case I've heard it with. And then along with that, plenty of moisture pouring north from the Gulf of Mexico. So really, anywhere between the dry line and that moisture flow is where we have the best chance for severe weather. So we're talking about northeastern Texas and then getting into southeastern portions of Oklahoma. As far as these threats go, I don't think we're going to be seeing a massive outbreak. Just a chance for a chance for a severe thunderstorm, or maybe even an isolated tornado. As far as our risks go, we do have a 3 to 5 chance on the severe weather outlook, a low to moderate chance on the tornado or severe weather probability. And then as far as the threats go, because we could see an isolated supercell or two, we do have a moderate threat for damaging winds. But other than that, as far as flooding, large hail, and even isolated tornadoes go, I don't think we're going to be seeing any of that. However, it is possible we could see it, so just make sure that you have a plan in place. God forbid something does happen, all right? Now, going back to our local area, here is our Grand Strand forecast for this weekend. Saturday is going to be our biggest chance of rain because of that tropical system just off of our coastline, bringing us a 60% chance of rain throughout the morning with afternoon highs in the high 70s, dropping down into the low 60s or the mid to low 60s at nighttime. And then eventually, as we head into Sunday, that area low pressure clears out of our area, leaving us honestly, with pretty nice weather, a mix of sunshine and clouds, only a 20% chance of rain with afternoon highs in the high 70s, dropping down to the mid 60s overnight. And then as you head more inland, we're still dealing with that rain chance, especially as we head to tomorrow. A 40% chance of rain with afternoon highs in the mid 70s, dropping down into the low 60s overnight. And then eventually, as we head into Sunday, that area low pressure clears out of our area, leaving us only with a 10% chance of rain, afternoon highs in the low 80s, dropping down into the mid 60s overnight. And as we go ahead and take a look at our 10-day forecast for Grand Strand areas, as soon as we can get done with this weekend, then we will be finally good to go. A 0% chance of rain basically all throughout next week, with afternoon highs in the low to mid 80s, dropping down into the mid to high 60s overnight. And as you head more inland, once again, this weekend is going to be our best rain chance, especially on Saturday. We will be clearing out, the rain will be clearing out of our area come Sunday, and then as soon as we can get into next week, absolutely gorgeous, plenty of sunshine, a mix of sunshine and clouds actually, only about a 10 to 20% chance of rain every single day, afternoon highs in the low to mid 80s, dropping down into the mid 60s overnight. So honestly, as soon as we can get done this weekend, it'll be gorgeous out there. Our humidity is going to drop, and everything is going to be back to the way it should be during this time of fall, all right? In case you have not already checked out my website yet, definitely be sure to check out my website above at www.liamsweather.org, and also to make sure that you never miss out on a video, definitely be sure to follow me on Facebook at Liam Kenny, on Instagram at Liam's Weather, and last but not least, also on Twitter at Liam's Weather 621.